Hello children, it's Mrs. Juttla. I hope you are all well. Today's intervention is about speech sounds, and the sound that we're going to be practicing today is the sound G. We're going to do my turn and then your turn. Okay, let's get started. When we do the sound G, our tongue needs to be at the back of our mouth like this. G, G, G. Fantastic, let's start. I found some objects in my house that begin with the sound G. G, G, girl. G, G, glasses. G, G, gum. G, G, gum. Excellent, well done you. I wonder if you can go in front of a mirror to practice the sound G. Remember, your tongue needs to be slightly back for you to do the sound correctly, like this. G, G, G. Well done. Keep trying and watch out for the next video. Bye.